Okay, rationalising the denominator quite simply means to make the bottom number, because that's what the denominator is, isn't it? To make it rational. Okay, that's why it says rationalise the denominator, make it rational. At the moment, it's irrational, because square root of 3 is an irrational number. All right. Now, if I type this into my calculator, it will do it for me. Okay, so if I press the fraction button there and put 1 over root 3, right? So if I do that and press equals, it'll actually give me the answer, root 3 over 3. But in the exam, you need, of course, to check, you need to sort of show your workings, right? So it's no good just writing the answer from your calculator like that, okay, because you won't get any marks. You need to actually show your working, right, as it's saying here. So what I do to rationalise it, quite simply, is whatever's on the bottom there, it's root 3, so we're going to times the top and the bottom by root 3, okay? Now, that's okay. We're allowed to do that, remember, because effectively, think what I'm actually timesing by. You know, root 3 divided by root 3 is 1, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, so I'm actually timesing by 1. Okay, that's what I'm doing. And you're allowed to do that. If I times by 1, it doesn't change it. It's still 1 over root 3. Okay, so I haven't broken any rules. I'm just timesing it by 1, and it stays the same. But I'm writing 1 as this, yeah? Root 3 over root 3. Okay, and if you then actually do the multiplication, 1 times root 3 is root 3. But what's good on the bottom, root 3 times root 3, well, remember, root times itself is just the number inside that root. So we get what the answer was, of course, on the calculator, right? But we've shown our workings, which is what's necessary. So we do the same here with this one. Now, what's on the bottom? Root 5. Well, we times top and bottom by root 5. It's just like times it by 1. Okay, times top and bottom by root 5. Well, on the top you get 5 times root 5, which is 5 root 5. On the bottom, root 5 times root 5 is just 5, isn't it? Root times itself is the number inside that root. And what's nice about this will cancel further, okay, because 5 divided by 5 actually cancels, doesn't it? It becomes 1. So you end up just getting root 5 as your answer. And again, you can check on your calculator. Third one, root 3 on the bottom. So we times top and bottom by root 3. Top, 9 times root 3 is 9 root 3. Bottom, root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Okay, so root times itself is the number in that. And then you've got this, and we can simplify further, can't we? Because 9 divided by 3 is 3, so 3 root 3. And then D, root 7 on the bottom, so times top and bottom by root 7. And you get then 2 root 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom. And in this case, that's it, isn't it? It doesn't simplify any further. There's your final answer.